everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today we are following the Christmas spirit, as you can see, because I have an amazing review for you all. Today, I am going to provide you guys with amazing Christmas gifts. Not only Christmas, honestly. These are gifts for any time of the year, and it comes with the help of my friends at Pascal. You guys, this is an excellent brand. They have watches, they have jewelry, and anything that's beautiful in this world. So today I am going to be showcasing 3 different pieces from them, and I'm also going to make them into beautiful outfits so that you know how to pair them properly and to really just showcase them the way that they are supposed to. If you like anything that you see today from my friends at Pascal, you can check out the link in the description of this video, and I feel like we just need to go ahead and get started. Quick unboxing, at least on one of the items, so that you see what to expect. Here we go. Look at the box. So pretty. What? This is my most favorite item. I do not have a watch like this, everybody. Let's go ahead, talk about it, and put it into a beautiful outfit. This is the Timeless Classic Diamond Watch by Pascal. This one is in Black Storm and it is absolutely beautiful. The diamonds that you see are lab grown. This watch features a 3-dimensional textured pattern resembling a spiral, paired with black to represent a sophisticated and glamorous look. That is why it is called a Black Storm. Lab-grown diamonds dot the landscape, mirroring the golden glow of the dial, exuding style and sophistication. For specs on this beautiful watch, you can go ahead and look at pascaldesign.com. It will feature its bandwidth, lug width, case diameter, lug to lug, as well as your minimum wrist size and maximum wrist size, weight and case thickness. Okay, everybody, this is the outfit I selected to go with this beautiful watch. I went with full black and gold, also in the shoes, because it is such a classic style. I went very minimalistic with the jewelry because my dress has a little detail, and I feel like it's incredibly classy. As you can see, the watch is a little big on me, but it does come with a tool to adjust it. So this is how it should be looking. It looks so pretty. I cannot wait to actually make it fit perfectly. I also wanted to show you the mechanism to put it on and off. So you just press on those 2 sides and then you close it again and you do it like that. It's super smooth, very, very pretty. Again, it looks incredibly expensive, but it isn't. I absolutely love the black and gold combo, but it comes in a lot of different designs. So I really hope you check it out at the pascaldesign.com website. I have 2 more things to show you. Let's go. Okay, more of a plain dress for this next item because it is so beautiful. Again, gold accessories throughout because I have to show you, these are spectacular. Check out these beautiful earrings. They are shining like crazy. So they are hoops. My favorite kind of earring. I cannot wait to show you guys. Let's see how they look. Okay, these shine from a mile away. They are beautiful, and let me tell you, they're not heavy at all. I always have issues with my earrings, and they tend to be so heavy that they really affect like my little ear holes. It's really bad. These are wonderful, and look, I can tell how pretty it all looks together. They definitely have that real shining factor, and honestly they're like the perfect size. They're not super big, but they're not very small, so they can definitely make a statement, especially with kind of like a plain look. You want the jewelry to shine, right? So again, paired it with gold shoes and they shine on its own. What do you think? Please let me know if you love them in the comments. Let's go ahead and talk specs. Let's talk about the gold finish on these earrings. It is an 18K gold vermeil, which is not your typical gold plating. This one ensures exceptional durability and provides the same appearance, touch, and quality as pure gold at a fraction of the cost. You can't tell me I am not making you look good this holiday season. Okay, everybody, last look of the day to feature my very last item from Pascal. Again, wearing gold because gold is the theme. Oh, and by the way, I kept the earrings on because they're freaking beautiful. And all of these items really work well together. Okay, last item, we're going to do a quick unboxing. This one has double wrapping. Let's see what we have here. Look at this beauty. I mean, I'm perfectly matching the watch. Check it out. It is a ring and a watch at the same time. How beautiful can this get? It can't get any better. So if you guys feel like you are going to wear a bracelet for the night and maybe you just want to showcase that, you don't need to carry a watch. You can just carry your watch as your ring. I think it's a spectacular idea. And look how beautiful it looks. It really is a statement. You can see it from far away. It really shines. It's bright. And of course, you can pair it with anything. You can pair it with white, with gold, with black. It is truly wonderful. And what a conversation starter to have something like this. I think it's gorgeous. I also love, I want to show you the details. So the background is kind of like that red cherry, but it also has this beautiful little details and jewels that are beautiful. Also, it stretches, so you can adjust this however you like if you need it to be smaller, but you can wear it in multiple different fingers because it is an elastic band. So I will put it on my thumb as well so you can see. I wouldn't really put it on that one, but it's up to you. I do think that the best one would be your index finger because it is kind of like a very nice showcase and you can wear your other rings at the same time. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Let me know in the comments. Let's read some specs. Drawing inspiration from Victorian jewelry, this watch ring is uniquely set with lab-grown gemstones. The two colorways are casually paired together to intertwine a rich, literally vintage vibe. The design is both historically classic and modernly chic, making this ring a unique and unforgettable piece of fine jewelry. As for the gemstones, this is a lab-grown ruby and it has 16 of them. I really hope you all enjoyed today's try-on haul and watches and jewelry review by Pascal. I want to thank my friends at Pascal for sponsoring this video. If you guys liked any of the items that you've seen today, go ahead and check out the link in the description and check out my friends at Pascal for amazing gifts this holiday season and honestly year-round. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can support me right here on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including exclusive photo shoots with a lot of the items that you see me trying on here, as well as amazing perks. I will also see you soon in my other channel, Carla Rates, where you get to see a gaming exclusive experience of me playing Raid Shadow Legends. I really hope to see you there. And that does it for today. I really hope you're having an amazing holiday season. I will see you again in another one. Bye.